Hey guys, so welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. I don't know if we say that or not, but thank you. So we have 2 chicken breasts. We're going to make chicken sliders with a delicious coleslaw. So I've butterflied this one, and I'll just show you how to butterfly this. So you get your chicken breast on the side, a nice sharp knife, hand on top, and you just slide through like that. So like that. Okay, perfect. So it just evens it out and makes it easier for cooking and marinating. So I've got a nice big bowl here. I want to get a tablespoon of vinegar, white vinegar, apple cider vinegar, whatever really you want to use. I've got a quarter of an onion, put it in there. 3 cloves of garlic, finely diced. And over here is a secret spice mix. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, and 1 teaspoon of mixed Italian herbs. So put all that together. Nice glad of olive oil. Mix it all up. Grab a spoon. Stir that around. And that's pretty much your marinade. So chicken fillets straight in, both of them in. Get your spoon again, and you just want to cover everything. So you might wonder why I'm wearing a high visi, but I just got back from work, so thought I might cook a little video, do a little cooking video, not cook a video. So once that is all covered, we wash our hands. Get a bit of cling wrap or glad wrap, cover that, and put it in the fridge for at least half an hour or overnight. Now we can start straight on the slaw. So using a separate chopping board, because you don't want to use raw chicken with veggies or anything. We're going to grate 2 carrots, and I've already started to finely chop some cabbage. So I'll just finish with the cabbage. Push that to one side. So once we have a nice bowl, nice big bowl, put all the cabbage in. So over here, to add to the coleslaw, we have 1 celery stalk or stick, and finely diced with another quarter of an onion. Put that straight in. And onto the carrots. Actually 1 carrot will be enough, because we're only making a couple of sliders. So once you've had a good mix with your hands, you're going to get something that I made earlier, if I can find it. Is a special sauce that goes with everything. So that's the same sauce that was used in the potato salad if you've watched one of my previous videos. So just put that in. Again, give it a good mix. So that's it. Nice crunchy slaw, nice and fresh. We've just got to wait 24 hours for the marinade. So next is just to prepare our rolls. So with 6 bread rolls all together, I'm going to cut through the whole lot, if possible. They don't move around, they're very fresh and soft, so I might just squish them all. butter here. I'm just going to put a touch of butter on every bit of roll. So while that pan's heating up nice and hot, when we put these on, they're going to get super crispy on the inside and still going to be nice and soft and fluffy on the outside, like a little cloud. So if you want to follow me over here, the pan's perfect. I'm just going to put a drop of olive oil in, swirl that around. You can see the pan's just started to smoke, so it's nice and hot. Bread goes straight in, butter side down. And hear that sizzle, that's what we wanted. Just press it down and just let it sit for a couple of minutes until it gets nice and golden brown. Okay, so it should be about done now. Yep, maybe a bit overdone. Nice and crunchy. Put them on a tray, and the next ones go straight in. Push them down so they seal, and again just wait a couple of minutes until they get nice and toasty brown. Just check these ones, perfect. So rolls are done. Now a bit more oil in the pan while it's nice and hot. It's time to cook our chicken. Just put the oil all around. Turn the gas down just a little bit. So I've just marinated these for half an hour, but like I said, half an hour will do, but overnight is best, like with most marinades. So put all the garlic and all the juices in, get the onions to caramelise. You want your chicken to seal but not to stick, so as soon as you get a bit of golden brown on it, we will flip it over. So it's cooked for about 3 to 4 minutes on one side. I'm going to flip it over. And just press it down and let it cook again for about 3 to 4 minutes. Should be done. We'll pull it apart and then ready to eat. Right, so I'm just going to find the thickest bit of chicken, probably there. Cut through it, see if it is cooked. If you squeeze it or press on it and the clear juices run out, it means it's cooked all the way inside. So, chicken is done. Turn the heat off, and I'm going to put it straight onto a chopping board, just to let it rest, before we start pulling it apart for these burgers. Look at that, I went to look just to pick it up and it starts pulling apart, so it's cooked perfectly. All these nice crispy bits of onion and garlic and chicken juices. So after letting the chicken rest for a couple of minutes, it's time to pull it apart. So just start with any piece and just go against the grain of the meat so it all comes apart nice and evenly. Bit of a messy job to do, but if you want some nice pulled chicken sliders, you've got to do it. This was the chicken bowl that it marinated in, and I have washed it. I'm just going to put all the pieces in there. In this little bowl here I've got some fresh chopped parsley and some sesame seeds, so I'm just going to put that in now. very good. You can really taste the cumin seeds and depending what sort of chili powder you use, this one is the different one to what we usually use, and it's very spicy. So. Way to liven up the chicken, just that extra bit, is a nice fresh squeeze of lemon. So just about a quarter of a lemon, nice bit of juice over that. One more mix. Mix all the parsley and lemon and sesame seeds all through. Put that aside. We're ready to plate up. Flip the lid off. Chicken first. Spread it nice and evenly. There's no arguments at the dinner table. A bit more chicken on there. Coleslaw. Obviously you could do this with each individual burger. We like to have a bit of fun at the dinner table, so there. Just cut them off for you. There we have it, a nice messy chicken and coleslaw slider. I like it when you make something and you're impressed with your own cooking. So again, please subscribe, comment, like, share, do whatever you want to do with the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.